What is up, guys? Hello. So winter is officially over. Like officially over in Austria, in Vienna. So it is so beautiful outside. Like, oh my goodness, look at this, look at this, look at this. It's so warm now, and so obviously I don't need the jackets anymore. I don't need the jackets, I don't need the scarves. I don't need the muffins, the head, whatever they're called. So today I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm gonna pack my winter clothes up, put that suitcase in the basement, and forget it until next season. And I say it's over now because I know it's June. However, winters in Europe, oh, they winter. Like, it's not, being from Miami ain't got winters, okay? 60 degrees and we all up in a scarf and like 2 socks and stuff. No, winter here, you need your heat tech, thermal gear, everything. And so all that's going out the door, all that's getting packed away. So I don't have to worry about it. I can bring out my lighter clothes. And so let's go. So, you know, we have my huge down jacket, and then my other jacket, and then my other scarf. Like, look at the bed, hold on. Look at this, look at this. So yeah, it all gotta go in this beautiful thing right here. So let's go. All right, first let's fold everything. I'll show you guys how I fold my stuff to get ultimate packing. Whatever noise you guys hear in the background, I have the windows open.